So this is a Karnaugh map for 4 variables. So we have inputs that are going to be A, B, C, and D, and output F, like that. So what we can do is label the horizontal axis A and B, and the possible values of A and B are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Notice that we're reversing the order here because that's the way a Karnaugh map works, is to have those reversed. All right, and then the vertical axis can be C and D. Our inputs C and D have possible values of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Again, notice the reverse order of those two. What we can then do is look at the first 4 outputs of F and see that that corresponds to the first column. And if I were to put them in order, this would be 1, 2, 3, and 4 for those outputs here. Looking at the next group, you see that that's going to correspond to A and B being equal to 0, 1. And there that is right there. And so filling those in order would be 1, 1, 0, 0. The next group right here are going to be the case where A and B are equal to 1, 0. That occurs out here. So we can see that all of these are going to be 0, and I filled them in that proper order. And lastly, we look at these 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What we need to do next is to circle groups of 1s so that we can write the equation. Let's do that in red. So here is one group, and we're circling the largest group possible, whether it be a group of 2, 4, 8, 16, or so forth. And sometimes you have to circle a group by itself. There's really nothing you can do about that. It's not possible to do diagonals. I mean, you can do a diagonal on a Karnaugh map, but it's not going to be give you an equation that is valid. And there's another group of 1 here. So this one's going to have 3 terms that are going to be ORed together. You see the first one right here. You can see that A stays the same. It stays 0, so we're going to have A prime. You'll notice that C stays the same, so it's C prime. But, of course, the B changed right here, and the D changed, so we do not include it there. I'll let you do, oh, that was the wrong one, by the way, too. That's the one that should go over here. Let's see if I can do a little damage control here. Let me save that. Do a little bit of erasing. Bringing back in the red. That's the equation for this one here. I'll let you write the equation for that one right there. And for this one, you can see that it needs to have all 4 variables in it. It's going to have A and B for that right there, and C and D. So you can see that the bigger circles are going to give you, like this circle right here, is going to give you a term which has fewer literals in it, whereas a small circle has more literals in it. All right, hope that gets you started on 4x4 Karnaugh maps.